Jean Baptiste de Lamarck was a scientist who proposed the theory of Lamarckism. Now, this theory was also known as inheritance of acquired characters or theory of use and disuse of organs. According to this theory, Lamarck said four major points. New needs arise due to environment, use and disuse of organs due to the new needs arised, inheritance of acquired characters and speciation. To understand these 4 points, let us see an example. Now, he considered giraffe as one of the standard example for these new species formation. It is so said that earlier organisms like zebra or donkey kind of organism, much shorter organisms were existing. As these organisms fed over the lower grasses and small herbaceous plant, there was shortage of food which was created. Now, this shortage of food here is what we speak as new needs. Due to this shortage of food or this new need exhibited by environment, these organisms, these donkeys, these zebras, the shorter animals started using certain organs more in nature. They are forelimbs and neck. They started stretching the forelimbs and neck in such a manner to eat the leaves in the higher branches. As this stretching was happening time and again, small changes were observed generation after generation, and these changes were being inherited and acquired in the characters. Now, if you are looking at this diagram here, you can see in earlier forms there were smaller legs and smaller neck. As the generation passed on, the neck size and the limb size were gradually increasing. Finally, to form a new species, the last point of Lamarck was speciation. A new species, giraffe, formed from the zebras and donkeys. This is Lamarckism.